One of Dularia's focus areas is to promote and revive natural rice farming. Conventional rice farming, practiced widely across West Bengal and many parts of India, is harmful for people and the planet. It is depleting groundwater at an alarming rate by growing hybrid varieties of rice in dry season. And pesticides are used which destroy the soil ecosystem and produce rice that is unhealthy for consumption. Thousands of marginalized indigenous people, often women, work as laborers on rice paddy fields and are exposed to the toxic chemicals while standing for long hours with their legs submerged in it. One such farmer, Churki Hansda, is a Santal lady associated with Dularia. She suffered a nearly fatal and lengthy struggle with her health, which she ascribes to working in chemical-ridden paddy fields.
ᱦᱩᱲᱩ ᱨᱚᱦᱚᱭ ᱪᱟᱞᱟᱣ ᱠᱟᱛᱮ ᱵᱟᱝ ᱫᱚ ᱦᱩᱲᱩ ᱨᱚᱦᱚᱭ ᱥᱮᱱ ᱛᱮᱜᱮ ᱦᱚᱭᱛᱚ ᱢᱮᱫ ᱦᱚᱸᱠᱚ ᱯᱷᱩᱞᱟᱹᱜ ᱛᱤᱧᱟ ᱛᱤ ᱡᱟᱸᱜᱟ ᱠᱷᱚᱱ ᱜᱟᱹᱪᱷᱤ ᱛᱩᱫ ᱠᱚ ᱥᱚᱢᱚᱭ ᱛᱤ ᱠᱚᱫᱚ ᱯᱷᱩᱞᱟᱹᱜ ᱛᱤᱧᱟ ᱟᱨ ᱮᱠᱫᱚᱢ ᱦᱩᱲᱩ ᱨᱚᱦᱚᱭ ᱠᱚ ᱪᱟᱞᱟᱣ ᱞᱮᱱ
Dularia's manager, Jittu Baski, describes the severity of issues that occur as a result of widespread use of pesticides.
কিছু কিছু রাসায়নিক দেওয়া হয় সেটা হচ্ছে এমন একটা ওষুধ সেটা হচ্ছে ঘাস মারা ওষুধ ওই ঘাস মারা ওষুধে যেমন ঘাসও কিন্তু থাকে না ডিএপি 10-26 এগুলোতে এমন পরিমাণে জমিতে দেওয়া হচ্ছে যতটা ডুবে থাকে জলে ততটাই কিন্তু জ্বালা করে চুলকানি হয় যেমন লাগানো হচ্ছে ফাটারা একটাও পোকামাকড় থাকে না সবটাই মরে যায় ওই জলটা যদি খায় কোনো প্রাণী ছাগল হোক গরু হোক মানুষও যদি খায় কিন্তু সঙ্গে সঙ্গে মরে যায় এক ফোঁটা যদি জিভে চলে যায় কিছু কিছু যাদের সমস্যা আছে স্প্রে করতে করতে তারা যেমন ওটা ওই নিঃশ্বাসেই ওরা অজ্ঞান হয়ে যাচ্ছে
Saraswati Murmu Baski, Dularia's leader, says she regularly suffers with burning eyes and skin rashes whenever she plants rice using conventional methods. In contrast, when she practiced natural rice farming in Dularia, she noticed no such problems.
और हमने किया भी मैं भी यहाँ पे दुलरिया में एक बार धान यहाँ पिछले साल हमने उगाए थे तो मैं भी यहाँ पे काम किया था तब मुझे कोई मतलब कुछ भी रैसेस वगैरह या खुजली जलन कुछ भी नहीं हुआ था ये मेरा मतलब मैं जानती हूँ क्योंकि मैं ये काम किया है जब मैंने हमारे गांव में ये धान का पुताई किया था तब मुझे बहुत जलन खुजली रैसेस ये सब हुआ था
In July 2020, Saraswati and her husband, Jittu Baski, along with other members of Dularia, conducted a courageous experiment. On a small portion of Dularia plot measuring less than a quarter acre, they planted our first crop of Gobindabhog rice. To start with, they shallow tilled the soil with a hand tractor, ensuring minimal disturbance of the soil ecosystem layers. The Gobindabhog seedlings were transplanted on the plot that was irrigated with the monsoon rainwater from Dularia's swale system and topped up with water from the local stream. When the rice was ripe and ready, it was harvested entirely by hand, tied into intricate bales and threshed in the traditional way that maintains the integrity and quality of the grains. The straw was used for mulching, thatching and weaving of delicate decorations adorning Dularia's earth-packed building. No chemical fertilizers or pesticides were added in the entire process, and compost from Dularia's swale system was sufficient to provide enough nutrients to generate a 10-kilo harvest. After the first successful experiment led entirely by Dularia's Santal team, Dularia is now set to support local farmers to make switch to natural rice farming. In February 2021, we held a workshop with local farmers explaining the hazards of using chemical pesticides and fertilizers and the benefits of natural rice farming. Churki Hansda, our courageous Santal lady member, stood up in front of the group to declare that she will convert to natural rice farming on the plots that she owns. Dularia will provide support to farmers like Churki Hansda by teaching her how to restore her soil ecosystem by providing seeds, and sharing resources such as the hand tractor, which we hope to acquire for this project. We will also support the farmers to sell the produce at a rate that makes this transition economically sustainable. Dularia needs your support to make our vision of empowered, healthy farmers and thriving ecosystems come true. Please donate funds to our cause and volunteer your skills and knowledge. To paraphrase Mother Teresa, we can all do small things with great love, and we hope to do them together at Dularia.